Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Cancel this 7 by 7, okay? Is equal to 8 divide 1, 8 divide 1 is equal to 8, okay? But this answer is not correct, this answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, A means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So first we have to solve parenthesis, then we have to solve exponents, then we have to solve multiplication divisions, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. Okay, multiplication and division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Here is a one division and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So 8. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. So keep this 8 as it is same, change the sign from division to multiplication. Okay. Now F means flip this fraction, 1 by 7, flip this fraction, 7 by 1. Okay. Multiply 7. So now here is a 1 multiplication and here also is a 1 multiplication. Okay. Therefore first priority is solve left to right. So first priority is 8 multiply 7. So now 8 multiply 7 is equal to 56 multiply 7. Okay. So now 56 multiply 7 is equal to 392. So the correct answer is 392. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.